When mechanoreceptive input gets desensitized, i.e. you get weak muscles, the sensitivity of nociceptors, your pain receptors, increases. So it takes less physical stress to create a pain response when the muscles are weak. When the muscles are strong and you increase the sensitivity of the muscle spindle and the muscle that can fire and fire on demand, they can tolerate greater amounts of force. That decreases the sensitivity of the nociceptors. Now it will require more physical stress to create a pain response. There's a direct correlation with what we do with MAT. We're not treating pain, but by improving muscle function, we can create an environment where the body can tolerate greater amounts of force, which provide an environment for healing, and which creates the ability for muscles to tolerate greater amounts of force, which reduces pain. That's why you're going to see the changes, or already have seen the changes you see by treating muscles. And those muscles that you're treating may be far away from where the pain is, because pain's your check engine light. Pain's your check engine light saying something's wrong. Every time you put a force on the body and it can't tolerate that force, it shouts out to say, quit doing this until you fix the problem. And fix the problem is create stability. Raise the tolerance level of muscle so the body can tolerate force, and all of a sudden your check engine light goes off. And now you don't have pain.